There's a secret management tool that can save you hours of analysis. Let me show you how. The tool here is the Metricool tool used by millions. In the page overview, you can see the growth section of your page. It shows you the number of posts, your impressions, followers, and likes. After that is the balance of likes section that shows you the acquired and lost you got on each post from the time you started. So far, we have 0 acquired and 0 lost likes along with the 7 posts. The graph here shows the number of posts along with the date. Then you can post a viewed section that shows the impressions along with the reactions and clicks you got during the posting period. We currently have 1 impression that we got on the 20th of January, but no reactions and clicks. In the clicks on the page section, you can also see the number of clicks each of your posts got, and even the number of CTAs, profile visits, and website clicks. Right now, we have 0 CTA, 0 website clicks, 1 impression on the 21st of January, and 7 posts plus reels. In the post published in the period section, you can see the impressions each of your posts brings, interactions, engagement, and the average reach per post. Currently, we have 8 impressions on our 7 posts, 1 average reach per post, and null engagement. From January 21st to 24, we have an average reach per post of 1, with some days having 2 posts, and some with 1 post daily. Down from there, you can see the interactions section showing others' interactions on your posts. It shows reactions, comments, shares, clicks, and posts. So far, we have 1 post on January 21st and 22nd, 2 posts daily on January 23rd and 24th, and only 1 post on January 27th. Then we move on to the next type section consisting of round circles showing your type of media like videos and images. The blue is for videos, the green is for albums, and the magenta color is for images. At the current time, we have 4 videos, 1 image, and 2 albums posted on our social media. The other circle shows your organic and paid traffic in blue and yellow colors respectively. At the bottom, you can find the list of your posts with complete analysis. We currently have 7 posts up, and you can see the type, comments, clicks, and shares. The latest post is a video with 1 impression, 1 reach, and 4 video views. At the bottom, you scroll back and forth on the post results, and the post on January 23rd has 0 clicks. You can click on the arrow to go to the next page, and here you can see the reach of 1 and 2 that we got on our 2 posts that we posted on the 21st of January and the 22nd of January. Next, we go all the way up to the Planning tab. Here, you can strategize and plan your content. You can select the day and time along with your content. You can see that on January 22nd, we have 2 posts scheduled for 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. On the 23rd, we have 2 posts scheduled for 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. For the 24th, we have 1 post for 2:30 p.m. and 1 for 5 p.m. On the 25th, we have 3 posts scheduled for 11:30 a.m., 4 p.m., and 6 p.m. respectively. 3 posts are scheduled for 2, 3, and 6 p.m. As for the 27th, we have a post for 2:30 p.m. and 5 p.m. After scrolling down, you can see that we have some late posts scheduled for 23rd and 24th as well. However, you can only plan 50 posts in the free plan. The arrows on the date help you to plan content months, and we have some posts planned for the 28th as well. One is for 8 a.m. and the other for 1 p.m. If you want to create one, just click on the empty box and boom. Here, you can select whether you want a Facebook post, a reel, or an Instagram post, story, or reel. Now let's make a story. Select Facebook and Instagram stories. On the right side, you can see our Instagram Yosh Media, and now click on the gallery option. From here, you can add a video, an image, stock image and videos, templates and GIFs as well. Click on Add Image, and select an image from here. Select Save. Now, you can add emojis that will help you get more engagement, add relevant hashtags that will help you rank in the respective niche, add a first comment to kickstart the algorithm, insert some URLs to help you in tracking, add some AI text or copy your saved texts. Select Save and schedule it. The story is ready for the 29th of January at 11 a.m. Now let's make a post. Select Facebook and Instagram posts. Go to the gallery section and add multiple images from here. Now we are going to copy a sample description from the previous post. On the right side, you can see our post along with the description. And by clicking on the Instagram logo, you can see the same post in the form of a carousel. Now let's drag our post for the 30th at 2 p.m. You can also add a full authentic description just like we did here. No one can suspect that's all pre-planned and looks brand new. Your post is ready and you can drag it to some other time, date, or maybe another day as well. Now it's time for a reel. Let's go with an Instagram reel and Facebook post. Add a file and select some MP4 for the reel. Now on the right side, you can see that Facebook and Instagram look alike. Add some amazing descriptions like we did here. Both the post and reel are ready, so save it. We select post for Facebook because if we select a reel, it can only be as long as 60 seconds. Since the video here is longer than 60 seconds, we use a post for it. Now we paste the text we copied earlier, and on the right side, you can see the visuals of how the video will look like after being posted. Click Save, and our video is scheduled. If you want to see more content like this and complete guidelines, DM me Yush to get some secret hacks.